What it is, what's poppin', what's good? Thank you for joining The Average Guy YouTube channel. I got another car mod for you guys today. Just want to show you what it is. I'm gonna install it, show the after, and see how I like it. There's a lot of video of these already on YouTube, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. So I just want to show you the mod, put it on, tell you where I got it, and we'll see what it is. One thing I want you guys to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Please look at the other playlists I have on the channel, and also share. All right, peace. Now I got this mod from eBay. I think it's OEM, but I'm not 100% sure because there's a lot of aftermarket parts out there. I got it fairly cheap. Currently on my Dodge Challenger, I have the chrome gas cap, and I wanted something that's matte black or gloss black because I'm trying to think of a different theme for the car. So this is what I got. It came in a box like this, which I already opened up. Came in some foil paper, not foil paper, but some bubble wrap and some stuff on the inside here. But this is it right here, man. Plain and simple. Not gonna bore you guys. Make sure it's on camera. Yeah. All right. Open, close. Simple. You pop out the other, put this one in. So I'm gonna run through the install, show y'all the after, how it looks, and that's gonna be it. All right, we're in the garage right now, about to put the part on. Here it is in the inside. So let me show you guys my current little setup right now. So this is what I'm trying to change right here. So this is the old chrome one. As you can see, the theme is somewhat black and white. We do have some silver pieces on here, but they're not chrome though, other than the emblem. So they're kind of like a matte or gunmetal, if you will. So this is a current setup. Let me pull the camera back so you guys can see better. All right, there's a wide lens on here. So I'm going to change this out, and from what I've seen online, all you need to do is, I may need to have to jack the car up, but I'm gonna need to go put my hands in here, pop the little prongs in the back, and it comes right out. As you can see on this one, you see the prong one right here, one at the top. So you pop those out, put that one in, boom. You gotta also remove the gas cap as well. So I have to do that to take that out, and that's it, man. So I'm gonna run through that and I'll get back to you guys. All right, man. So we're done. Got the part installed. As you can hear in my voice, I don't know how much I like it, man. I'm gonna keep it a whole bean with y'all, man. You know I keep it reals. It looks, what should I say, not OEM to me. Looking at it, if you look at it looks like it's a satin black. Not even a satin black, like a semi-gloss black. Actually, probably does look satin black or whatnot, but it's just, even when you look at the fuel font versus the OEM one, is different. So the OEM has the old school looking font for fuel, but this one doesn't. The install was fairly easy. I had to jack the car up in order for me to fit my hands through here, which wasn't a biggie. But like I said, man, I think this one is going to go back. The one thing I did not like, especially when I bought this on eBay, and typically they don't do this, when I searched the part number, which it came up with the actual part, which is not a big issue, especially if you're just looking for something that's not OEM to get something cheaper, but it didn't specify that it wasn't OEM, which, looking at the picture, was kind of suspicious. But typically they don't show the actual picture of the item if it's OEM, especially if it's a company, just for copyright purposes and stuff like that. So yeah, so this one's getting returned. I'm actually going to file a refund. I need to wash the car, and I'll probably, whenever I get their return label, jack the car up and put that in. But yeah, man, so that's it for the video. Once again, man, is The Average Guy. I'm the man doing average things on the average car. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I got a new license plate with my car's name, Xena. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. Look at the other playlist. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Do as you want others to do to you, man. Put God first in everything you do. I holla. Peace.